Hey, this is Phillip at Agri Supply, and today we want to talk about a few things to consider when purchasing a trailer. There's a lot to consider in terms of functionality and safety, so we're going to go over those things. So the first thing to consider when purchasing a trailer is what size trailer you need. This trailer here is a 5x8, so it measures 5 feet in width and then 8 feet in length. It's very important to know what size trailer you need prior to purchasing one, depending on what you're hauling. Another important thing is a single axle versus a tandem axle. This is a single axle trailer here, as you can see. The tandem axles you're going to find in your larger trailers, and that's going to allow you to haul a lot more weight with those trailers. And that's another important point, is the weight capacity. You want to know how much weight you're going to be carrying prior to purchasing a trailer, because you never want to exceed the payload capacity. That can cause all kinds of damage to your trailer, the axles, the springs, and it'll cause your tires to wear unevenly. Another important thing to remember is ensuring that the trailer coupler matches the trailer ball on the vehicle that you're pulling with. And it's also important to be sure that the towing vehicle is rated to tow the weight that you plan to pull in that trailer. The couplers, there's an A-frame style coupler as well as a straight coupler. Could be several different size balls as well, 1 7/8, 2-inch, or 2 5/16. So it's very important to be sure that they match so the trailer is secured properly. The last thing we want to talk about, and perhaps the most important thing regarding safety, is going to be your trailer lighting. You always need to inspect these to be sure that your wiring is in good order and your lights are in good order. We do sell a variety of different light kits, as well as the wiring and the adapters to hook to your vehicle. But it's very important to ensure that everything is in good working order. Trailers do require routine maintenance, and there are some parts that you'll need to replace over time. And knowing what to look for will save you time and money in the long haul.
First, we're going to talk about hubs and bearings. We do sell a wide variety of hub and bearing kits for your trailer. It's very important to keep these greased with high temperature grease to extend the life of those bearings. As you inspect your trailer, look for visible signs of rust or damage to the leaf springs or the mounting hardware. It's important to replace those as needed.
When talking about tires, if you're replacing a tire on your trailer, it's very important that you replace it with the exact same style and size tire. As you can see here, this tire would not work on this trailer. It's also a good idea to mount a spare tire.
Most trailers come with the trailer jack installed, but we do sell a variety of different style trailer jacks with different weight capacities.
My name is Phillip with Agri Supply. Thank you for watching. Hit the like and subscribe buttons below.